Guys, welcome back to Math and Easy with Kiki. Today we're going to be learning about surds. I already have a short on my YouTube channel saying the meaning of surds and the rules of surds. So let's get into today's video. Make sure you go watch that before you watch this. I'm going to link it in the description down below. Our first question says that we're supposed to simplify the square root of 50. As we all know, 50 is not a perfect square. So we're going to be looking for one square number that can divide 50 without any remainder. By square numbers, I mean numbers like 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, etc. And out of these numbers, we know that 25 can divide 50 without a remainder, and the answer is 2. So what we're going to do is that we're going to say that the square root of 50 is going to equal the square root of 25 times 2. And now what we're going to do is we're going to find the square root of 25, which is 5, making our answer 5 the square root of 2. And now for our second one, we have simplify the square root of 72. We're also going to be looking for a square number that can divide 72 wholly, and we know that 36 can divide 72 without any remainder. So we're going to say that the square root of 72 is equal to the square root of 36 times 2. 36 times 2 is going to give us 72. Now, if we find the square root of 36, we're going to get 6. So that means the answer is going to be 6 the square root of 2. Now we're going to learn how to add and subtract surds. Okay guys, we're basically going to do something called separate and simplify. We're basically going to do the same thing we did before, but then add the results of each one. So we're going to simplify this and simplify this, then add our answers. Let's start with the square root of 27. We're going to look for a square number that can divide 27 equally, which is 9. So we're going to have 9 times 3. Now the square root of 9 is 3, so our answer is going to be 3 the square root of 3. And now let's have the square root of 12. For the square root of 12, we're going to look for a square number that can divide 12 equally, which is 4. And this is going to be 4 times 3. Now, the square root of 4 is 2, which means that our answer is going to be 2 and 3. Now, if you remember my short about surds, you remember me saying that you can only add and subtract identical surds. By identical surds, I mean that both of them have the same number in the square root. And when you have this, you're basically going to say 3 plus 2 to the square root of 3, which is 5 to the square root of 3. And that's your answer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me what topic you'd like me to do next. Bye!